Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and to a frizzy hair day. Today is the day. It is the first Project Pan update of 2022. If you missed the introduction where I talked all about the products that I'm trying to pan this year and kind of like what my strategy is for the project in 2022, then I will link that down below. But today I'm going to be sharing my progress with you guys so far after just 1 month. Are you crooked? Anyway, for those of you who are new, hi! I hope you decide to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because this is a channel where we are trying to figure out what the heck does living your best life look like anyway, and how do we do that? So if you are someone who is looking for more positivity, more intentional living, more personal development, and going out there and following your dreams, me too. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's do it together. What is going on? Okay, whatever. Let's get into the Project Pan update, shall we? So look what arrived. My scale! Finally, after 2 years of project panning, I have a scale so that I can accurately measure the progress of the products that we can't like eyeball and see the progress of. So it's very exciting. My inner spreadsheet nerd is living her best life right now with all of these numbers. And now let me share them with you. First, let's talk about the Cath Kitson hand cream. This is by far going to be the easiest thing for me to pan in all of these products. This is my little like cheat moment. You can already see just by looking at the packaging that I've used up quite a bit. At the beginning of this month, I had 35 grams of this product and now I'm down to 23. So that's pretty good going. Next, and slightly less satisfying, is the Urban Decay blush. I'm struggling to see any kind of difference in this. I think that's kind of just the nature of this type of product. Once you hit pan with something like a blush or a bronzer or a highlight, then you start seeing the differences month on month and it's quite obvious. But until you hit that first pan, it is slow going. Even with the weight of this one, because I think the actual blush itself weighs so little in comparison with the packaging, there is no difference in weight in this one this month. Kind of disappointing, but we move on. Next, let's talk about the nail polish. This is the Maybelline Color Show 60 Seconds Nail Polish in 352 Downtown Red. I have it on my nails right now. I've had it on my nails for the whole of the month and I'm going to continue to have it on my nails until this is done. I actually think I've used up a decent amount of this because my nails keep chipping so often that I'm finding myself painting and repainting my nails like 3 or 4 times a week. This is why I like to go and get gel manicures, because once I see one small chip, it ruins my entire day and I can't move past it. So even now I can see a little chip in this one, a little chip in this one, and I'm gonna have to go after filming this video and immediately repaint my nails. So I guess that's kind of a good thing. Even though it is kind of taking over my life a little bit, it does mean that I will get through this nail polish quite quickly. At the beginning of the month, I had 39 grams of product, and now I have 38 grams. A gram of nail polish, is that a lot? I couldn't possibly tell you. Next, we have the Live Love London highlight. And you can see that there is a bit of an improvement here. I have been using it consistently. Every time I've been putting my makeup on, I've been dipping into this. I've been highlighting my nose. I've been highlighting my brows. I've been highlighting everywhere that I can possibly highlight my face without looking like a clown. I'm doing it. So I'm feeling good about this one because, like always, once you have something that you can see the pan on and you can see that pan growing, it just feels so good. Talking about watching the pan growing, let's talk about my Urban Decay Naked One palette. Blast from the past. I know. So my goal with this was to completely pan 4 shadows. And in the last month, I have completely panned Virgin, which is this end one. Is it a huge accomplishment? No, I only had a few little bits left in the corners, so it really wasn't that much hard work. But I think that you can see some progress on back, not so much on sidecar, even though I have been using it. I've been using it with a bit of a lighter hand, so the progress isn't so obvious. And I haven't even dipped into Half Baked this month, so moving forward I am going to have to start switching my eye looks up a bit, which is something that I don't like to do. I don't like change. Next, I have my Okiki Exotic Fruits face mask. I completely forgot to link Okiki skincare in that last video. I said I was going to, and then it completely slipped my mind. So I'm going to do it in this video. Must remember. Because it's a really great small business, and I highly recommend you guys going and checking them out. But I am noticing a difference in this. And it is lighter because at the beginning of the month I had 47 grams and now I have 41 grams. So that's a pretty good going. Also, this is the kind of product that I really just enjoy using. As much as it's in the project pan and I do want to pan it, it is really nice to use and I do enjoy each use of it. And finally, we have my candle. This is the Sand and Fog Amber and Fig scented candle, and I have been using this a decent amount. Do you see progress? There is progress there. I also just really like this scent. So I started off this month with 745 grams and I'm finishing up with 686 grams. So I mean, that sounds good to me. And you can see that there's a difference there, so that's all good. So I'm feeling pretty good about that first month. We don't have any huge overnight success stories here, but consistent progress, I think, across all the products, and that's good. Some of these I know I'm going to be working on for a while. That Naked palette, that's going to take me literally months. The blush, that's going to take forever probably. But I have 1 or 2 different items in here that are going to be a lot faster to use up. Like the hand cream, I should be finished with this by the end of next month and then we can bring something new in. So yeah, I'm feeling good about it so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, then please go ahead and let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because why haven't you already? But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much and you are enough just as you are. I will see you all next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye guys.